We now have custom field support for contract and document signing. This feature update allows for seamless integration of text fields, flexible placement, and efficient assignment in relationship to contracts and document signing. The benefits of this feature update are that you can now easily incorporate text fields into documents and contracts. You can position text fields anywhere within the document. You'll also be able to assign text fields to specific individuals. So let's talk about practical use. Consider a real estate agency using the CRM to manage lease agreements. Now, with floating text fields, the agency can customize lease documents for landlords and tenants, assigning specific fields for each party to complete, streamlining the signature process while maintaining data integrity and compliance. Let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to go into payments in the left-hand navigation. From there, you want to make sure that you access documents and contracts in the navigation that opens up. From there, you're going to either choose plus new or you're going to select an existing. Now, once you're inside of that document, go ahead and click on the plus button. Make sure you select the element area, and then you're going to see the new text field area. Simply drag that over where you'd like it to go, and then the next thing that we're going to do is actually assign that. So let's take this to the next space. Now let's go ahead and assign that text field. So we're going to go ahead and click on the recipient icon in the upper left-hand side of your screen. When you hover over that person-looking icon, you'll see that it says recipients. Go ahead and choose the recipients that you would like that text field to be associated with. Now, simply preview. You'll be able to see all that you need and each one of the recipients and what they are actually going to receive. This is a simple update that is going to make a huge difference in any businesses that utilize contracts or need those signatures. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.